Good morning. I know insurance industry has been on the spotlight over the weekend, and that is what I want to address today. I know by now you've seen that a lady on TikTok was complaining about Britam having lost 590. She says she had saved 2 years, or for the last 2 years rather, and she was saving a total of 90,000 per month until she lost her job, and she was now putting Britam on the spotlight. Now, I don't work for Britam, but because I work for an insurance company, that is why I am here today. To number one, say all insurance policies, especially the long-term policies, and by long-term I mean above 5 years, have a minimum period of 3 years. You can't surrender a policy before the end of 3 years, and that we try to tell to our clients all the time. Or rather, I tell to all my clients, if I've sat down with you, you already know that we've talked about the minimum surrender period, but I always encourage my clients to save up to the end of the term. So whether your financial advisor, whether your insurance agent tells you or not that you can't surrender a policy before the end of 3 years, you're supposed to know that. Why? Because the insurance company will send you a policy document immediately. Your application is a policy. That one could take a week in after you have taken up your policy. And within the month, if you feel you're not comfortable, you can cancel the policy and get a cashback. So it is expected that all our clients read their policy document. So if you've not read yours, please do that right now. Number two, we can't be guaranteed that we'll have a work or job. You don't know, you're not sure about your job security in the next 10 years, in the next 12 years. What do you do about that? Number one, if you know, especially I tell this to my clients, especially those working in Saudi Arabia and Dubai, I have so many of them. Kama unajua unaweza save 10,000 comfortably or 20,000 comfortably, and you have a contract of 2 years or 3 years, take half the amount. If you can, you can do 20K, do 10, let the system rent 10, but you'll be paying 20,000 every year. So that by the end of 3 years, tuseme contract yako inaisha, you will have paid 6 years. So before it's 3 years overpayment issue, you will have figured out something. Because let me tell you, we can't stop saving on the long-term investment plan because we don't know about our job security. Because children must go to school, mtoto wako lazima ende university, you want that home, you want that business, you want that car, and there is no shortcut. You must save for it. So insurance policies are good investment plan only when you understand the terms and conditions, leave alone job security. That there are provisions for that. Also, it's good to know these things at the beginning. There are some companies that will penalize you in case you default more than 3 months, others won't. The biggest percentage won't. So it's good to know which company you are working with. And I'm happy to help you if you're working with ICA Lion Group. We don't have penalties. In case mtu amekwama na anasikia hiyo deni ni mingi sana, we can delay maturity so that period is taken at the end, and you'll be good to go without having to pay all those arrears. Whichever works for you, we work with that option. Thank you.